what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. I'm Rosalind.
I'm Raymond.
And we made it to Hotel Catalonia.
Let's go.
Let's go. It tastes like fruit juice. Kool-Aid.
Let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can.
Okay, so I'm about to get a drink because we gotta wait like 6 hours for our room because we here super early. So I'm about to get probably a Miami Vice. Are you gonna get something?
I ain't gonna get no drink.
He gonna eat first.
I gotta eat something.
He gonna eat first and then he gonna drink. But I'm gonna get this drink on the way to eat. And I'm hot, but not Texas hot, so it's still good. Okay, so Raymond did decide to get a drink.
I went here and got some Bacardi.
And Bacardi and what?
Bacardi and Sprite.
Oh, okay. I don't know. They don't know. Just Bacardi what? I got the special drink with some tahini on the rim. We gonna see.
Tell me how that tastes.
It's good.
Did you mix it?
This tastes like a Starburst.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you. Something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down. But maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you. Something about you.
Okay, so the snack bar was interesting. Not that many options. Not that many good options. Let's see what Raymond got.
You know I had to go Old Faithful hamburger, a fresh pepperoni and cheese pizza.
And what's that?
Some onion rings, and I do got some shots on the way.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Burger's good. Burger's good.
Yeah, the burger may be good, but there's no cheese for it, so that's that. So our 4 shots came. Raymond ordered us 4 shots with our food. And Diet Coke and Coke. And you know what he gotta do. Look at him. First day, he already getting red.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh, I didn't even show y'all what I got. I'll tell y'all. So I got a burger. I added guacamole. I added pico de gallo. And I added mayonnaise and ketchup and mustard to it. Since there's no cheese. So let's see. It's a fresh burger though. Y'all, no. The burger's not good. It tastes like nothing. I got cheese pizza. This is okay. It tastes like flour though. Look at that. I guess it's a snack. All right, me and Raymond about to take these 2 shots of food.
Y'all know what time it is.
The food sucks, but you know, maybe if we take these shots, the food will taste a little bit better. That's why I saved my plate over there. Maybe it'll taste better after I take these shots. Good. The burger tastes like if you got ground beef and you just cooked it and you didn't care about nobody. You had no salt, no pepper, no nothing.
About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
Those are strong.
On my chest.
Ooh, they're strong.
It's still strong.
I ain't lying.
Okay, y'all, he ain't lying. It's strong.
That's round 1.
I got this from Mexico for $1 the last time I went to Mexico. And it's coming through right now.
Oh.
And that shot coming through.
I feel those shots already. They're strong. I ain't ready for a shot yet. We'll do some shots later on. I ain't ready for no more. Normally I'd be like, hey, let's go back to back. Nah, I can't do it.
We're gonna have to get another shot because I already feel like we ain't having no fun.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Okay, so we got our room and we're about to show y'all what it looks like.
Wow, we out here.
Like you.
Like, yeah.
All right, when you first walk in, y'all, you see a Raymond, but after that, it's a mirror here. Nothing special, just a mirror, but you know what? This mirror is special because some rooms don't have it. And then you come over here to our bed. Just a little simple bed. It has 2 lamps. And it has this nice size TV. That's nice. We got Raymond over here chilling. It's a table right here also.
Gang.
A little bitty table. I guess we can eat on that. Then we come over here. This is like the little closet area. In the closet we have 2 rows. We'll be utilizing that today. We also have, what's in this bag? Raymond, come show them what's in this bag.
What bag?
While he getting the bag ready, we have a little iron. We have an iron and a little ironing board. What's in that bag?
I don't know what's in here.
I don't know. It looks like it ain't never been used. Oh, just an extra pillow. It's just an extra pillow in that bag. Okay. But a little closet space right there. And then we come over here. We have a safe and some more shelves. What's this black thing up here? See what that is. Let's see. I can't see. All I see is your bag.
Blanket. Some towels.
It's just an extra blanket. I guess.
Some towels.
Oh, it's an extra blanket, y'all.
The blanket or towels?
And then over here we have a little coffee station. They give you a thing of coffee and 2 cups and a coffee maker, so that's cool. One thing I can say about this room is it doesn't have a lot of plugs, so we need that for charging. They have a little ice, thing. What's that called? A little ice bucket. And they also have a mini bar over here, which has several drinks, beers, water, soda. So, you know, the norm. And then to our right, we have the bathroom. Nothing special, just a regular bathroom. It has the microfine mirror. We have 1 sink, 1 toilet in the same area. And then we have a little open shower area over here. It has like a little, I guess, a rainfall. I don't know what y'all gonna call that, but that's the shower.
Let me see the shower. I ain't see the shower yet. Ooh.
All right, and then here's our room. We're gonna come out here to the right. It's not a very big room, y'all. Let me show y'all the overview of it. It's just like a little room. A little cozy room. Nothing to write home about. But then you come out here to the balcony. And we have a bird over here doing his thing. Why is he being so loud though? Why are you being so loud, baby? What is it? You don't even live here. You're probably telling me the same thing. Like, I live here, you don't live here. You visiting. That's true. So whenever he gets finished talking, we can move on. So this is our balcony. On the balcony, y'all, it has 2 chairs and a table. So we can like eat our breakfast or our dinner out here because we have room service, 24-hour room service. And we just have like a little garden view. So here's this. little garden view. This reminds me of like some apartments though. Look at that, y'all. It's a pretty big property. So that's our little small balcony. And we're back in the room. We're okay with it. So far the food has sucked. The room is cold. So we happy. The room is cold.
Man, it feel good in here. It's hot
we get 24-hour room service. We have access to like all the privileged areas, like on the beach and restaurants and stuff. So if y'all book with Expedia, you can get access to all like the privileged.
Make sure y'all bring some tip money for everybody. You hear me?
Make sure y'all book with Expedia because you get like access to all the privileged areas, like all the little spots that you don't have to pay extra for. It's included, so we're excited about that.
I'm ready to go get these shots, man. I'm ready to go get these shots. Got the room, we in the room. It's time to shot it up now. What you think?
Shot it up.
Shot it up. So I need everybody to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
So me and Raymond, we're about to unpack our stuff, and y'all probably gonna see us at dinner. I mean, the snack bar sucks, so we need food. It might be room service, it might be dinner. I don't know. It might be a drink. It's probably gonna be a drink. It's probably gonna be a drink. We gotta turn up.
Time to turn up.
Turn up.